Hari Om Tat Sat. What the universe wants you to prepare for. What does this mean? Before the universe's big move or bigger plans for you, what you have to be ready to hear, what's coming. So today in a light seer deck reading, you will hear all about what's going to uncover with respect to the universe, the signs, the shifts, the hidden preparations universe wants you to make right now. What's about to unfold in your life may surprise you today. So, breathe in, breathe out, connect with the energies, and let's start. Wow, I'm excited to see what's coming your way. What are the shifts and changes? Okay, let's see. As many cards, let them fall. Ooh. Amazing. Let me pick all of that. Okay, let's go by the story the universe is going to tell us now. Yeah? Okay. So the first thing here is the Seven of Swords in reverse. Okay, the plenty cards fallen, all have been picked. The Seven of Swords in reverse indicates that there is someone who is going to deceive you. So you have to be ready for anything. Look at this person. If it were to be not reversed, what's happening here? No matter what's coming his way, this person is very focused, and there's a lot of ill intentions happening here, which is not known to mankind. It looks very suspicious here, and the wings or feathers have been chopped. He's carrying that, acting in a suspicious way. So a lot of suspicious things are happening in your life right now, and you have to be aware why such things are happening in the first place. Is universe trying to remove anyone toxic in your life? The energies are full of that. Your intuition to be developed for the greater good. You are experiencing spiritual awakening as well in this process. You're seeing great growth with respect to your focus. So you always trust your intuition. Sometimes when you don't trust your intuition, you have always seen not the right things. Okay, you have trusted the wrong things. You are like, no, I should not get married. Oh, I should not go ahead with this alliance. Oh, I should not go talk to this person. You have felt this. Your gut has felt this. And when your gut feels and you ignore the signs, that's when this happens. Ignorance. Okay, so don't ignore yourself. Make sure you trust yourself here. Nobody else. And few of you here are not seeing good things in the family life. Ten of Pentacles in reverse indicates financial situations are also on the loss here. So the warning is two things here. One, the financial situation. Don't invest anywhere. Some mysterious things are coming to light. You will get to know who's harming you, who is being very friendly or trying to be a family, but they are really not your family. And they're just trying to act like one. So that is also one of the things. Then once you identify, wow, this is like a brilliant thing happening here. So once you identify what's happening in your life, like family ill life is getting affected because of the evil eye or jealousy of other people or some wrongdoings of other people, and then you have not lost your focus, focusing on your gut feeling, that's when you get all the money back again. Six of Pentacles show that there is a Venus activation. You're giving, you're a giving person. Your hand has always given a lot of money to people, help to people, and the receiving end is other person's energy here. So you will have enough to give other people. That much money you're going to make. Only when you're abundant, people feel like giving a lot, right? So that is the feeling you will start getting. Three of Cups indicates that soon you will attract girlfriends or friendships which are trustworthy and based on trust here. You can share anything with them. They look very different from each other, and one has tattoo, one doesn't have tattoo, one is fully covered, one likes to really dress up different way, different colored hair, etc. What does this indicate? Unity in diversity. So all of you, although you are all different with how you like things, etc., but you girlfriends have your back. There is somebody who is very loyal to you, and you are not trusting the right people here around, right? That is the communication I'm getting from the universe. What else is getting shifted in your life, or any hidden truth which you don't know about? It's coming. Five of Swords in reverse. So your mental health had been affected because of the rumor, gossip, that was happening around you, about you, and it were not true. And you were very worried about your workplace as well. Wherever you went, you met colleagues who were not happy for you, not happy for your growth, but only pretentious people around you. And now you're entering a phase in your work. If you work on this, identifying who is what, and identifying the barrier or the cover or mask, and you will be able to pull off that mask from that person's face and see for it the real way. What it is, exactly that way you will be able to see soon. And the 9 of Swords. So the sadness, look at that. The sadness is over. Okay, both came in reverse here. So that simply means 9 and 5 energy is here, and the sadness is over. The 9th month or 5th month of any time. This is a timeless reading. So anytime from now, you watch this within 9 days, 5 days, 5 weeks, 9 weeks, 5 months, 9 months. These are the timelines we are taking to be as specific as possible, and keep it not so vague. We are getting specific timelines here that your emotional health is going to be good. You're finally going to identify the people who are not meant to be with you. I think toxic cycle or pattern is getting a break here. You are able to see the shift in your life with respect to how you think, positive thinking. And if you are someone who would always get a drained energy by walking towards someone, then you will not see such people around you. You will not attract anyone karmic. Now on, you're only going to attract soulmates, twin flames, good people around you who are actually interested in your growth. They are not listening to their story because they want to just feel better. They are listening to your story to actually help you and uplift you. They'll uplift your life as well as mood. Such soul tribe you're meeting soon. That is the shift you will see, and universe wants you to make these changes in the first place. Not get addicted to anything, any cycle here. Not chase. Be someone with high standard and stay where you are. People who really feel like being with you, they will also not fall into the chase. They'll be with you with patience. That is also what I'm saying. If you want to attract love in your life, you have to feel queen-like, because it's come reverse. Universe is not happy with the way you're thinking right now. Right now, your energies are not like this person who's so, look at that confidence, look at that peace here. Something's running in her mind and it's too much, but outside, you're looking very calm. That's the situation right now you are in. You have multiple things happening in your mind right now. Then there's no light there. You are thinking about studies, you're thinking about career, you're thinking about relationships. All of it is happening and you're looking calm from the outside, but the universe is asking you to calm your energies from the inside. Right? And the light at the end of the tunnel, that is also what I'm seeing here. You will face good things, not challenges anymore. And even if you face challenges, by any chance, you will be able to walk away from them, come out of them. And you're going to leave everything behind and walk towards sunlight. Look at this. It is so significant in your life. The changes that are coming are so significant. And the image also is showing you a path of light here. You're leaving behind old things. You're burning old things and then heading towards sunlight. Look at that. You washed everything and your footsteps and heading towards the positivity of life. You have had enough in your life. You've trusted wrong people. You've given them choices. You've given them chances. All of it. Yet if things are not working out, that simply means you are not the only one who is making things worse here. The other person also is responsible here. So if it's career related, court case related, marriage related, alliance related, and growth related, spiritual awakening, everything is in control right now. The moment you learn the lessons of feeling calm from the inside, trusting the right thing, trusting the gut feeling here, and to trust the right people in your family life as well, and make amends, seek forgiveness, and also ask forgiveness and forgive people who've hurt you as well. That is one full circle you have to come in order to achieve everything in life. And if it is difficult right now, universe is asking me to convey this to you. There is a bowl here and fire here. So you can release all the negative emotions right now, whatever you're facing, negativity, any issue with respect to friendship, any issue with respect to marriage, pregnancy, spiritual growth, your career, your promotion, not getting a job, anything that you want to let go of, you're done, you're tired with all of it, then simply take a sheet of paper, write everything there as a letter to universe. Address it. Dear universe, I want you to know these are the feelings that I'm having right now, and I want you to release all these feelings in me, and throw this paper in a bowl which is fire resistant and then burn it. And once you burn it, release all your worries while watching that flame burn to ashes. That is how your problems are burning and becoming ashes, and then blow it away to the universe, so that universe will bring the divine things at the right time for you. Divine intervention is possible and happening here. Next, Four of Wands in reverse I am seeing, as well as the Judgment. So if you're cursing universe or God and very upset with God and asking why me, Four of Wands indicates that you're not having any kind of self-love or me time or anything for yourself. You're not doing, you're not even listening to one small music or dancing towards music and enjoying life as it is. While you overthink and overanalyze and be critical about others as well as you, the time is going and ticking away from you, and that time is life itself. Okay, that is why you need to meet your soul tribe, travel, enjoy life a little. Look at that. You need this dance, you need this relief, you need your girlfriends around. I'm seeing a lot of girl energy here. Feminine people are watching this video more here. And if you're a masculine person or a male watching, that simply means you have a lot of divine blessings around you which you're ignoring. You have to experience the self-love, me time, not always filled with responsibility, but be this somebody who takes half an hour of your time away from normal mundane life. And then next is Judgment. This is 2020, so 20th of some month, something major significant is happening. Okay, the June month especially I'm seeing for your, whenever it is timeless. So whenever you see this video, next June 20th, there is something major which is happening in your life. And Judgment is here, which simply means karma. Whatever you're facing till now is all because of your karma. And the moment you clear your karmas, that's the Judgment day for you. And you will release yourself, you'll free yourself. Your soul was meant to learn these lessons. The moment you understand why me, and why this is all happening, and instead of why me, always crying, okay, it is a moment of lesson for me. It's a moment of truth for me. Let me learn through my mistakes. If you make sure you learn all of this, that energy in you is going to unfold a lot of surprises universe has to give you, and you will see the changes happening within the next 4 months from this video. Claim all the positive energies, do all the work that is supposed to be done. Hari Om Tat Sat.